basically, when you go up, it's kind of like you're starting the tomahawk, but you don't want to bring it all the way back behind your neck. You know, you want to bring it above your head, bring it down low. You want to extend going up and extend going down. And also you have to, while you're there, you have to turn all the way around. So it's kind of like a two-hand half a wheel, you know what I'm saying? Just like 180.